Easter is here. It's do or die. Nothing represents Easter quite like eggs. Easter eggs, like chocolate eggs, egg bread, coloring eggs, the gift chocolate eggs with the toys inside.
Yes, Kinder eggs.
Eggs. All Easter weekend, it's all eggs.
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 More eggs. Shopping for eggs can be very overwhelming, especially when there's this many choices. But we're here to demystify selecting the egg that's right for your family.
Wide variety of eggs, different sizes, different colors, different additives, lots of different things to consider. It's actually not that complicated once you break it down. Grade A eggs means that they were graded and selected to make sure that they were the best for you and your family. All of these eggs are grade A. Makes it easy.
They all did well in school.
Mallory, do you know why an egg is either brown or white?
I do not.
Actually? You don't actually know? Yeah. It's the color of the hen. Brown hens make brown eggs. White hens make white eggs.
Simple as that.
The next thing is the sizing. Now, do you know why a different egg is considered a medium, small, large, jumbo?
The size of the hen.
No, no, it's not the size of the hen. It's actually the grams inside the egg. So from a weight perspective, a small egg is typically 42 grams, a medium egg is 49 grams, large egg is at least 56 grams, an extra large egg is 63 grams, and a jumbo egg is 70 grams. So as you're looking through the different various types of eggs that are on the counter and you're looking at price per gram, if you're really looking to stretch your dollar, generally speaking, the extra large and the jumbo are not always priced a lot higher than the standards, which means you actually get more egg
Right.
per dollar.
So you're telling me one hen could make a jumbo, a large, and a small egg.
That's exactly what I'm telling you.
Okay.
And depending on the hens, they produce a different size egg. That's why it goes into the grading system.
Right.
They sort all the eggs. They sort them first by color,
Okay.
then by weight,
Right.
and then they get placed into their proper container.
Like babies.
Kind of like babies, except we don't put them in boxes and sell them to people. Next, we have the housing. Standard or regular white and brown eggs would come from traditional housing, which is generally in small group settings, and that would produce the most economically priced egg. Then what we have, free run or free range. Free run eggs are typically from hens that roam the entire barn, so they're free to come and go wherever they like within the barn. Free range allows the hens to actually go indoors and outdoors. Finally, we have attributes, and that's where we take the standard egg that's being raised by a hen or by a farmer, and now we're adding to the feed. And that's where you start to see the attributes of omega-3 or organic, or you get into our Conestoga line, which has lutein added to it, as well as omega-3. And that feed will impact on the egg that they produce, and actually those nutrients and those additives will pass along to us as we consume them. So today what we're going to do is we're going to crack some eggs, give you a show of what a standard egg looks like from a yolk perspective, an omega egg, again, from that yolk color, and then finally we're going to look at the Conestoga, the free run omega-3 with lutein. So we've had a chance to crack these eggs, and just to give you a little show of what they look like, the first three, including the omega-3, look very similar to look at.
Yes.
It's just the volume is a little bit more in the jumbo.
Yeah.
That guy looks a little bit smaller, so if you're making a scrambled egg or a fried egg, it's going to be a little smaller.
Yeah.
But then when you get to the Conestoga, you really notice a difference in the color, particularly of the yolk. Because we have all these eggs, we decided that we're going to make a frittata.
While Giancarlo's cooking a frittata, I'm going to get started on making some dyed eggs the easy way. We're going to use this pastel food coloring. We love vinegar. It's good for the soul. That's why I eat salt and vinegar chips. So we're going to do some green. And we're going to go in some blue. Wow, that's pretty. Okay, yellow. Red. Do we know the reasoning behind using vinegar?
It sticks to the egg better.
What is with you today? You know everything.
We're here with our natural dyes that have been created using a wonderful recipe that we found online, and we'll have a link to that in our description below. And what we have here is a turmeric base, then a beets, red cabbage, and blueberry. So for natural dyes, they do take a little longer for the color to set in. So we're gonna set these up now, and we're gonna leave them for about an hour.
Now we have waited about 2 hours for the natural dye. So we're gonna take them out. He's still making his frittata. This is blueberry. Since it's natural, put your fingers right in there. This is red cabbage. which is interesting because it's quite blue. This is beets. We have turmeric. And there you have it.
Cool.
Easter, all natural dyes.
Guys, come on.
Wow.
Come on. Ketchup?
Yes, please.
On top or on the side?
No side.
Some people are different.
You have to leave it in there. Like, drop it?
I'll stir it. Ooh, look!
After we dye it, that stays white.
My egg's done. Ah!
But crinkle it, yeah.
So these are our eggs.